Hello there, welcome back once again to How to Cook Great Food. Really simple chicken fried rice today with some curry powder in it, kind of Indian inspired. It's really simple, absolutely delicious. Let's get on with it. Okay, let's take a look at what we've got here. So I've got some cooked basmati rice there. Always try and use cold rice, hot rice or warm rice. Doesn't work out so well. In fact, if you've got 1 day old rice, fantastic. Onion, sliced, I'm using the red. I've got 1 chicken breast here, no skin, no bone, just sliced up quite thin. Cilantro or coriander, chopped garlic, like a tablespoon, couple of chilies, optional. And then 2 heaped teaspoons of curry powder. And here I've got some cumin seeds, a couple of teaspoons. Really simple. If you want, you can chuck some other veggies in here, some peas, some mushrooms, anything you like really. We're going to start this off with some oil. We're going to add some salt and pepper. It's really simple. Let's get on with it. Okay, so you're going to need a wok or a frying pan or something like that. I've got some oil in there. I'm using a sunflower oil, heating that up. We're going to drop in our cumin seeds. And just for a few seconds, let them do their thing in there. They'll infuse that oil, give it a really fantastic little flavour. Next up, we're going to drop in our onion. Now I've sliced my onion. You could chop it small if you want. Stay on this high heat. I'll be back in about 2 to 3 minutes. Keep it moving. So just as those onions take, we're now going to drop in our chicken. Our chopped garlic. If you wanted, you could be putting some ginger in here as well. We're going to add some salt, some black pepper, and we're going to go for another 3 or 4 minutes. Again, high heat, keep it moving. So the chicken is quite thin, so it will cook really quickly. I'm now going to add in those chilies. I'm going to put mine in whole. What I've done is just cut them open like that. You can chop them if you want. We're now going to add that little bit of curry powder. That's going to do its magic. Let's just throw that around for a few seconds. We're going to grab our cold cooked rice and get that in. I'm going to cook this for about 4 to 5 minutes. Again, staying on the high heat. We really want to cook this rice out. We really want to fry it. So I'm hoping you can hear that. That's our rice frying away there. Off goes the heat. Fresh cilantro or coriander, whatever you call that. One last mix. And we've got ourselves a fantastic, easy chicken fried spicy rice. If you want, you could get some egg in there. Scramble an egg into that. But for me, that's beautiful. And there you go. So easy, super fast, and absolutely delicious. Hope you enjoy that. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. That helps us out a great deal. Give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. Check out the social media. Blah, 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 all that stuff. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.